Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Saiva's channel. Today we got pterosaurs. We're gonna be talking about birds. We have the new Dino Trackers ORNITHOCHEIRUS or ORNITHOCHEIRUS, if I'm pronouncing that right. And we also have another Dino Tracker, Tupandactylus. And we will compare to a Dino Rivals Tapejara. I could have sworn these two were the same, but they're not. Pretty different. Look at their crests. They have different crests. So this is from the Danger Pack. I think it came out this year or a year ago. But yeah, we're talking about aerial dinosaurs today. So let's begin with this Tapejara. It's a Dino Rival. Let's see what year was this made. 2018 it says right there. It's really small. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. So there's the DNA scan. There's a button right there to flap the wings. If you push that, see, it flaps. There you go. Alright, so let's go to our first one, the Tupandactylus. I don't know what special feature this thing has. We'll check the back. So the only thing we don't have now is this green one. I forgot what it's called. I think it's like a Pianatsitsky source. I don't know. I can't even pronounce that. So I still don't have this. I already have all of these. So let's open it up. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, let's drop the camera. Alright, we have him here. This is the DNA scan. So I don't think it has a feature, but you can open the mouth of this thing. Oh, okay. It looks like it has a goatee down there on its chin. So the wings are really... So the Tupandactylus has a bigger face than the Tapejara. Totally different crests. The head crests are so different, you can tell. Let's see the color. Let's check the wingspan. Okay. Alright, now let's go to the other Dino Tracker, the ORNITHOCHEIRUS. We'll check this one out. I got this like, what, 4 weeks ago. I still don't have time to take a review. Life has been busy again. Time's just so fast. Well, alright, so here we are. We're this Pterosaur. You can open the mouth. I'm pretty sure this thing is a fishivore. Here's the DNA scan. There's feathers over there. Not too shabby. It's nice wings. Yeah, it has a longer tail compared to this two over here. Has a tiny tail. It's on a small tail. So you can move the legs. It's a very big beak over here. So I'm gonna add some links on the description. You guys can click that. It'll connect to other videos, other dinosaurs. Alright. So this one has a little yellow on its wings. Let's check the Tupandactylus. Oh, we forgot to check the box on this guy. ORNITHOCHEIRUS. Alright, so we already have all of these complete. I think I need one more ORNITHOCHEIRUS and one more Borealopelta. Yeah, one more. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. So in the next video, we're going to be discussing probably another epic evolution or a beast of the Mesozoic. I have like 3 more down over there to review. And of course, those epic evolution I got a few days ago, all new. I wasn't expecting those, but I got it. So that's it for today, or just 3 flying dinosaurs. Alright guys, thanks again for the support. Don't forget to click that like button. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.